Alright, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 396. It's my Tuesday night shenanigans with cash starts and mega cricket. And the slab and gem bonuses and stuff that we always do like that. So, let's move on and see who's playing tonight. We got T-Voth and Aaron and Chucky and Ski and Frank and Chappie and PJ and Ski and Stuntman and the other Frank and Chappie and Stuntman had the slab. He picked number 21. Frank had the gem and stinker. He picked number 22. We'll open those shortly. And Frank and Forsberg, you only had one team, buddy, but welcome to 643. If you had two teams, you'd be in on this awesome bonus. I'm giving away a bunch of value tonight. I don't want to spoil it quite yet. And PJ and Skeet 93's in it. Dwayne only got one team, but it's a good one. And Chucky and Zalma coming in with a couple teams at the end to take part. And Aaron had the extra dart turn, which didn't go for crazy amounts like it usually does, which is okay. So, first things first, Stuntman bought the slab. Here's hopefully pulling you something cool, bud. It's a base, but it's short printed anyways. 6th edition base card series 4, number 15 of 30, Johnny Busick. Sorry, bud, you didn't get one of the cool stuff in there. There's the Phil Esposito auto still in there, the Henri Richard, some other cool stuff. Yeah, it's not bad. And the Frank had this card, pick number 22, Gems and Stinkers. I believe he had a stinker last time. And you got a stinker this time. I can see through the paper. You have a... Oh, that's not bad. Crown Royal Lineage. Ah, get the tape off there. Claude Giroux, Danny Briere, and JR, Jeremy Roenick. It's not too bad. Seen worse. Those are not... Oh, I thought the jersey... Oh, the prime ones are numbered. And we're going to roll for the slab. Everybody's eligible for the random slab, so we're going to see what team gets it right now. It is the Vancouver Canucks and Chucky, just back from doing his housework. And Chucky, we're going to spin it again, or if you're there, you can pick it again real quick. You want to pick a number real quick and we'll see if you got it, or I'm spinning. Yeah, I love this wheel too. Number 7? 7 is there. We'll pick 7 for you, bud. Everybody picks number 7 first. Weird. 12th edition, Future Stars Autograph Silver, number 18 of 24, Nick Sorensen. And I forget who drafted him, but you got yourself a rookie autograph. He was just drafted this year. Nothing super special. And that's about it. We can move on to our box, and then... Look, guys, we got a box in all this madness, too. So, ending in 5857. I love 11-12 limited. And you guys know we have a case break for sale right now. And after the case break is my 400th break. And if you remember my 300th break, how fast that sold, you guys might want to be around because it's going to be epic. And I'm going to take a loss on it, just to give you guys some nice product. So, checklist. A pretty fat pack this, huh? And it's going to be a random team with a little trade window. Yeah, remember the 300? Oh, the Prime will sell. I've sold 3 spots just on eBay already today. First card going to the Detroit Red Wings and Stuntman. I like to get sneaky and hide it so you guys can't see. Henrik Zetterberg with the bottom left ding corner. Number 183 of 299. Bud. We have a Ruby Spotlight. Oh, that's just wrong. No, oh yeah, it is. It's Vancouver. If I can get it. There we go. Trevor Linden with the Vancouver Canucks and Chucky. That card is number 1 of 49. You got a eBay 101. Whoopity-doo. Yeah, little tiny dingage on the bottom corner too on that. Not as bad. We have a banner season for Skeet 93. The Phoenix Coyotes. Wow, I think I just pulled that card the other day. Keith Yandel, silver. Number out of 299. Rookie Phenom's autograph for the Carolina Hurricanes and Ski 80. You got Justin Falk. Get a handle on that Yandel? Justin Falk, Rookie Phenom's autograph out of 299. Next we have the Winnipeg Jets. Oh, nice. I like the next one. Is a base jersey out of 99 going to Stuntman of Andre Pavelec. Number 94 of 99. The Skeets. Yeah, it's the Skeets. Pull! And on the back we have a base gold. I'll save the other card. The last. For the California Golden Seals. No, the Cleveland Barons. Where does Cleveland Barons go to again, guys? Anyways, it's Charlie Simmer, number 21 of 25. I'll have to look it up. I'm going to check my listing right now, just to see. Scroll. No, it's not there either. I know Simmer played for LA, but somebody want to double check that for me, please? Oh, is it Minnesota? Minnesota North Stars, so it goes to Dallas. That's right. Thank you, and Dallas was Ski 80, so there you go, Ski. And the last card is going to Aaron in the Boston Bruins. We got a banner season retired numbers, or not a banner season. We got a retired numbers jersey version of Johnny Busick, 2-color. And that is numbered 24 of 25. I pulled this card before. Alright, Chuck, simmer down. Alright, I'm going to get all these cards out of the way, and then we're going to do the... It was bound to happen eventually, right? Get all this stuff out of the way, and then we're going to go to the main event. What you all been waiting for tonight? Oh, bring in my big shipping box there. And the board. It's not bad. Rearrange-o. Hey. Don't diss the leaf towel, man. There we go. Taking out the gloves. And tonight, there's our players. Starting off with T-Both. Shooting down to Aaron with the guaranteed spot. And tonight we're having 4 prizes plus a prize for the last place. First spot is getting slot number 8 in the Panini Prime case. 8-box case break that we have for sale right now, a $64.30 value. So first place, case spot. Second place is getting the same deal. Panini Prime case spot. They're going to get slot number 9 in the Panini Prime case that we have for sale right now. Third place tonight is getting a Panini Prime case spot worth $64.30. This is a recording. Third place, case spots. Fourth place is getting a 3-color patch card of Is Not a Kuma, Tyler Kuma, out of 65 from Dominion. Nice little patch on that guy. There we go. Fourth place. And last place, the Nancy score, is getting a couple Vancouver flavored cards tonight. I'm not going to reveal those until later. So, oh yeah, Skeet, I got that one in there for you, buddy. So, here we go. Yeah, I like that card too. 3 case spots and some really nice cards going out. My pen. And let the Tuesday night shenanigans begin. Shooting first is T-Both. T-Both is getting, wow, everything is like super close this time. I'll make some more room here. Alright, that's a little better. A little reflection, but we'll live with that. Hey, TRK. So, T-Both, first darts. And remember, you keep your darts, you can cash them in and cash in Mega Cricket anytime you want. Starting off with 777 for 21. And a single 8. T-Both, your luck really sucks on this, you know. And a double 5 for 10. We have a good start at the Nancy score with, what, 39? Yeah, you do have no luck in this bonus. Wild has a lot of nice patches and everything. Aaron, pick number 2. 111 for 3. Wow. Double 2 for 4 points. He's got it rocking out a big 7 already here, guys. And wow, I think she just won the lowest score with a 2. That's insane. That's the lowest score ever. With a 9. The previous lowest was 16. Chucky. Wow. Double 2 for 4. Triple 13 for 39. That put you into the lead, that one dart. And hey, double 15 for 30. You got 73. This is pretty good. It is lowball night here. Ski 80. 999 for 27, the best start. The Ski boys are no stranger to winning prizes in this bonus. Double 15 for 30. And double 10 for 20. 77. First place. And we got Frank. New Frank. 10, 30. Triple 5, 15. You get lots of triples to cash out. And, oh, a single 14. So that's 59. In the middle pack, not good for anything. Chappie. 36. Best start yet. Triple 12. We got double 17 for 34. Rocking out a 70 already. And a single 20 to give you 80 or 90. 90. First place, Chappie. Is Chappie even in the room? I don't think so. PJ, who's notoriously sucky at this bonus too. Single 20. Double 18, 36. And night, Terry. Oh, triple 18 for 54. PJ actually doing something. 110. Stuntman. Oh, Stuntman. 0 with a floor dart. It's just a bonus. I'm giving away. The top scorers get a case spot. Double 6 for 12. Yeah, sorry, bud. And 11. That would be any other day that would have been a good stinker, or last Nancy score 23. And CM Punk, original Frank. Double 12 for 24. I can't talk anymore. Double 14 for 28. You're still in the range. You can do it. And 30. 52. 82. Chuck didn't want to see that 82. Skeet 93. Hey Dan, how's it going, bud? Triple 8 for 24. Single 3. And Skeet 93, a single 18. 245. Not good for nothing. Zalma. Double 7 for 14. Double 13 for 26. You might be able to pull something out still. Get a high one. And a single 18 is not going to cut it. 40, 52, 56. And last chance, Aaron's guaranteed spots. Yeah, you were doing good there, bud. Ooh, triple 11 for 33. Double 11 for 22. What are we going to get? A single 11 now? Yeah, oh, close. Double 10 for 20. 50, 75. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The finals looking like this. First place. And getting himself case spot number 8 in the Panini Prime case is PJ with his 110. Second place, Chappie. Wow, you always win in my stuff. You got yourself case spot number 2, or case spot slot number 9 in the free Prime case. And it looks like CM Punk has held on to third place with his 82 to get himself a Prime case spot. Slot number 12 in the case break. And next is it Ski? No way. For fourth place, and the Kuma patch is Ski 80. with 77 points. There you go. That one's coming your way, bud. That's a nice one. It's not a Kuma. And not last place, Aaron with a 9, the lowest score ever. You got a couple Vancouver cards, like I mentioned. First one is a trilogy ice scripts of Corey Snyder. And the second card is a slab out of 20 of Marcus Naslund, Dan Cloutier, and Mark Messier. Number 16 of 20. There you go. That's the Nancy prizes. Thank you guys for playing, and I'll see you all on my next bin, which is going to be about a couple minutes by the look of it. Thanks, guys.